Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. Today's video is basically based on your feedback. As many of you have requested, I will share in this video the most favorite kitchen items with you all, and I will share how I use them. Do let me know which one you like the most. Also, this video is in association with Finish. So, let's get started. I will start the video with my favorite kadhais, as many of you frequently asked about them. These two kadhais are the most favorite ones among all. This one is a tri-ply round bottom stainless steel 2.6 liter or 24 centimeter kadhai with a stainless steel lid. I use this kadhai every single day. I can saute veggies in small quantities using less oil as it has a deep round bottom. Also, it's great when you want to deep fry anything. You need oil in small quantities compared to a flat bottom kadhai. This one is a non-stick cum stainless steel 2.5 liter kadhai with a glass lid. This honeycomb pattern with raised stainless steel structure makes the non-stick layer intact for a longer period. I use this one very frequently too. When I make poha, upma or sabudana khichdi, I can use less oil and food won't stick badly. I bought this kadhai in 2018 probably, and since then it's my all-time favorite. I will share all the product links in the description box below for your reference. Here is the very tiny tea zone or tea section in our kitchen where I keep all the essentials related to tea. Mostly in the morning we have masala chai or adrak wali chai. These two black and white bee mugs are a new addition in this monochrome mug palette. Previously I had these teacups, but a few have broken, so I got these two Be Happy teacups for our evening tea. So you see, these are all the regular usage cups and mugs that we own. When I saw this bee kitchen napkin, I got an idea to decorate our small tiny tea section. So what I did is hung this kitchen napkin here, and on Canva I made this Be Happy design. Took a printout and kept it in this frame. This small tea station looks so beautiful with these personal touches. I had this teapot, but the mesh was not fine to retain the tea dust. It's also not microwave safe or cooktop safe. I was looking for a replacement, and this one is the new addition in the kitchen. I have been using it for the past 2 months and I'm quite satisfied. It is a borosilicate glass teapot. We can heat or boil water in the microwave or on the gas stove itself. I love the fine mesh filter. It catches all the tea dust or fine particles of the tea leaves, perfect for 2 cups of green tea, Darjeeling tea or any type of special tea to brew. I had this dinner set gifted by my cousin on our anniversary in 2015. During usage, many pieces got broken and we were in need of a new dinner set. After researching and comparing, we bought this dinner set right before our marriage anniversary last year. We really liked the design and utility as per our Indian food. It came with 1 rice plate, 6 full plates, 6 quarter plates, 2 gravy bowls, 6 soup or curry bowls, and 12 small bowls. I choose this dinner set because it came with this 12 small bowls. 6 bowls can be used for raita and 6 bowls can be used for desserts. We love this dinner set. Many of you inquired about these blue ceramic bowls many times. These bowls are my absolute favorites. I have collected these blue bowls from different places over the time. I use them to serve dessert or snacks. It is not only about collecting beautiful pieces for our kitchen. It is also very crucial how we take care of them to retain their quality for years. As these are delicate servingwares and utensils, I always prefer to use the best cleaner for them to avoid scratches and retain the shine on them. These are Finish Quantum Ultimate Dishwasher Tablets. These tablets are an all-in-one solution, so they do the work of dishwasher detergent, rinsed and salt. It comes with a 3-chamber technology that scrubs, degreases and provides a shine to utensils. Pre-rinsing also not required, so we end up saving a lot of water as well. As these quantum tablets are 100% water soluble, so they don't leave any residue inside the dishwasher and works even in hard water and low temperature conditions. It has an amazing formula to remove oil and grease stains, and all my dishes shine like new thanks to Finish Quantum Ultimate. I will share the link of Finish Quantum Ultimate dishwashing tablets in the description box below for your reference. These ceramic measuring cups are a new addition in our kitchen too. One of you tagged me on Instagram, and that's how I know about these beautiful ceramic measuring cups. Flower print on the outside and a pop-up yellow and teal blue color inside makes any boring space aesthetically pleasing. I always keep them on display here so that I can use them on a daily basis. Pretty things can never be cluttered in the eyes, can they? This one is one of my most favorite bowls with a lid. I call it a soak pot. Basically, it is a serving bowl, but I use it to soak chana, chole, rajma, etc. If you are forgetful, just like me, then keep a designated bowl on the countertop to soak things. It would be a great reminder to soak your lentils or grains and eat healthy frequently. This one is a very new addition on our kitchen countertop too, a designated salad bowl. We want to include salad in our everyday meal more frequently, simple cucumber salad or any type of protein salad, but if it is not in front of me, I keep forgetting. So I have added this salad bowl where every morning I take cucumber, tomatoes, carrots, etc. from the fridge and keep them here in this bowl, which reminds me to eat healthy and fresh salad every day without forgetting. Whenever I put something on display on the kitchen counter or shelf, I choose a pretty one so that it can end up as a functional decor rather than countertop clutter. I wish to share a few of my old kitchen buddies which you all like very much and I get frequent questions about them. But before that, a quick reminder, if you love watching our videos, if you found them useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's move on. This one is the oldest and one of my favoriteest member in our kitchen. Basically, it is a fruit stand, but I use it as an onion potato stand. It's well loved by everyone, you, me, and I can see it's a statement piece in my kitchen. I bought it from Home Stop in 2014, and since then I never get over how beautiful and how functional it is. These bird canisters are another statement piece in our kitchen, using them since 2015, and I love the finish of these ceramic lids and the glass texture, these plaid bows, and they are so pleasing aesthetically and functionally. This kitchen sign and the eat sign I bought from Amazon long back, shared with you all in this video. If you want to know more details, please check this video. These two chalk paint frames I got from Market 99. I got very frequent question from you guys, so I think you got your answer. These coasters are from a local utensil shop, one of my favorites too. This coffee frame is from Pepperfry, and these two wooden spoon and fork are from our trip to Missouri. Kitchen is a place where we are constantly cooking, cleaning, drinking, eating, and an essential corner or room of our home which should never be ignored. If possible, decorate it minimally but beautifully. And that's why I always take time to add new items in our kitchen. My intention here is to create a aesthetically pleasing but super functional kitchen space for us. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please like. You can always find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.